Hi everyone, just a quick video here, how to set up your handpiece in the first time you're using it. If you're using an M audio pedal, okay? So you have to change the bottom to M audio, okay? And this is how much residual resistance your pedal will have. So you should scroll all the way to the minimum here because we're going to use this at the minimum resistance, okay? You're going to unplug your handpiece, okay? You're going to see here on the pedal, right? And since it's the first time you're going to be using it, you're going to go all the way down. This is all the way up, right? And this is all the way down. You're going to go all the way down, go to settings. You're going to hold to set up, and then you're going to zero the pedal. You're going to click here, and then it's going to record the minimum resistance. Okay, then you're going to hold to setup, and then it's saved. You only have to do this once for each pedal, okay, unless you change this on the side, but just don't change it. I will click back. There's a bug on the memory, as you are all aware, so it's going to reset. No issues because everything is already saved. Then you can see here the pedal, okay. If you change here the resistance, you will see that also the pedal is going to change because you're increasing the resistance. But let's go all the way down, and then you have it here, right? So you're going to keep the power at 100. You're going to go to the speed, a low speed, 1 to 5. Then you can connect your handpiece, okay? So you're going to get your handpiece. You're not going to scroll all the way, because if you scroll all the way, you won't have a way for the plunger to move, because this is how you set up the travel distance of your handpiece. So I got this huge solenoid here to show what I mean. Okay. If you scroll this all the way down, you're going to push this side here up to the minimum, and it's possible that your solenoid is only going to vibrate. Okay, what we want to do is increase the distance to have a longer travel distance, to have a heavier impact, or you can go closer for it to have a lower impact. If you go all the way down, you're going to have to decrease the speed, and then you're going to have way higher energy of impact. Okay, so now that we have this, the handpiece, you're going to unscrew it. You can just go around like 2-3 turns, go to settings, and then nothing is moving here, right? So you're going to hold to setup. You're going to press the pedal all the way, right? And then you're going to change the handpiece maximum pulse time up to a point where it stops hitting. So I'm going to, for example, 3 milliseconds. It's still hitting, right? If I go all the way, it is still going to hit, right? But now it's just generating hits. So for this solenoid that I have on the website, you can go up to 7 milliseconds. It is enough. Then I have a 18 volts power supply and a 12 volts solenoid voltage. That is the one that we bought. Then I click again, hold to setup. Now it's saved, okay? Scroll all the way, and then go back, it will reset. Now you can use a solenoid, because if you screw this all the way and then you press the pedal, it is only going to generate heat because it's not heating anymore. So whenever you unscrew it, you're going to listen to the impact getting stronger and stronger. Okay, if you screw all the way, then it's going to get super hard. But I will change the speed, and it's super hard now. Light and strong. It is possible for you to keep the power in the same level all the time and only change the speeds and control the power of impact here on the screw on the back. your handpiece is only hitting and it's not impacting, it's possible that you forgot, you could have forgotten, of course, to shorten the length of the plunger here. You are supposed to shorten the length of the plunger. If you do it, then it will have the correct length to still hit the collet and make the handpiece shorter.